This is a human. She is thirsty. According to Maslow's hierarchy of needs, she needs to get up and get a glass of water, because water is essential for her survival. She likes the idea of traveling to Barbados, but decides she's comfortable in the chair. And that's okay, because Barbados is not essential for her survival. Now she is hungry. She needs to get up and get a taco, because food is essential for her survival. She likes the idea of getting solar installed, but she thinks about the cost and aesthetics, and decides she's comfortable in her chair, because solar is not essential for her survival. Now she needs to get off her chair, because shelter is essential for survival. Now she needs a new roof. The biggest challenge to scaling rooftop solar is that it is not essential, so most people don't get it. However, people will buy a roof when they need it. Per year, only 300,000 buildings go solar, but 5 million get a new roof. A roof, though, is expensive, underutilized real estate that degrades relatively quickly and loses value over time. Adding solar to a roof helps with cost, but many people don't like the way it looks with asphalt shingles. We need a product that not just helps mitigate the cost of a new roof, but actually pays, and that product needs to look good with solar. Solar roofers are in the unique position to offer such a product. If we can address all these needs, solar roofers will have a desirable product to offer to homeowners that will easily turn a roof buyer into a solar roof buyer. This is where the R&D lab comes in. We have developed Starling, the first roof designed for solar. This is designed with a system-level view, which means that each element of the product complements the other and is doing several things, simply and elegantly. The Starling solution consists of our patent-pending shingle and self-templating solar mounting hardware. Our shingle is made of Kynar-coated Galvalume. It is color, gloss, and line matched to a range of top-tier solar modules. The form factor is 1/2 of a module length and width, so design and layout is simplified. The shingle also has formed-in layout markers for installers. Starling hardware is deck-mounted and optimized for our shingles, but also works with asphalt shingles. It is low profile with no visible clamps or brackets. It is fast and works everywhere. There are no tricky rules about where to place splices, no cantilever limits, and no span tables. Solar modules hang from the cleat brackets like a picture frame on a wall. From the top down, the system is self-templating. The cleat brackets hang on the lower module frames and the process repeats. Installers like the top-down installation because it allows for more ergonomic wire management. Roofers like the shingles because the entire install is done with ordinary roofing tools. How do we compare to current options? Compared to asphalt, our shingles are a far better aesthetic match to solar panels, and they last 50 years, twice as long as asphalt. This durability is how we go from mitigating cost to actually paying. Compared to solar integrated tiles like Tesla's, ours is simpler, less expensive, and quicker to install. Most importantly, our solar roofing solution uses existing labor and supply chains, which solar integrated tiles do not, making ours easy to adopt and scale. We are the only company developing a product to help the current roofing and solar companies take advantage of the market shift to solar roofing. Basically, with Starling, the R&D lab has created a simple, beautiful solar roofing solution that pays. Our momentum is strong. Despite worldwide supply crunches, we are ahead of schedule. Our fundraising enabled us to move into a new facility with 9,500 square feet of indoor and outdoor space. We've completed extensive pre-testing to ensure that certification will run on schedule and within budget. Our rigorous testing included applications, electrical bonding, component-level load testing, water ingress, system-level load testing with modules and shingles, hail, and burning brands. We've sold and installed 11 roofs and 10 solar systems with off-the-shelf materials and secured dozens of pre-sales for our product. We've initiated certification with a nationally recognized testing lab and filed for our first utility patent. We've established suppliers and will begin pilots by the end of this year, and our product will be ready for national markets early next year. The advantages of Starling roofing and mounting hardware will help solar roofers grow from their 3% market share. As they grow, we grow, while serving their need. This becomes a virtuous cycle wherein we accelerate the transformation of the industry together. When 30% of roofers are solar roofers, we will have doubled the entire solar market and added 2 gigawatts of capacity per year. We will continue to redesign roofing to easily integrate solar so that every roof can be a roof that pays. We will continue to innovate, from shingles through roof types, underlayments, tools, processes, and delivery systems. There is opportunity within all of roofing, and we will develop it. The R&D Lab is grateful to have an experienced group of advisors. From marketing and finance to training and architecture, the University of Arizona for Innovation has also been vital to our growth. And this is our dedicated core team. Following a career in special education, Amy runs installation operations and sales, developing the business model to better help other companies integrate roofing and solar. Jerry is an application specialist with decades of experience. When he's not testing, he's on a roof installing. Ian, Kyle, and Brian have developed and certified over 6 different integrated solar roofing systems and dozens of solar mounting products for integrating to all types of roof. They have quite possibly designed more solar and solar roofing products than any other 3 people on the planet. The essentials for survival, like food and water, cannot pay for themselves, but your shelter can. And with an R&D Lab roof, it'll look good doing it. It could even pay for that trip to Barbados.